Did you know? This feature helps you to share any files more easily from one device to another. Let's start the video. You can enable that feature on your PC, as it was previously installed. The driver is too old. So, we have to need to update the software. Open the web browser and search Nearby Share for Windows. So click on the page, which the web page is provided by Android. On this page, click Get Started button, so the software is downloaded. Now, install the file. As the software was installed successfully, you can use Nearby Share on your PC. If you like my content, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to comment below. See you in the next video.